Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching!
Her hair was detangled with TM Hair Products Smooth Through Detangler, shampooed with a moisturizing shampoo, and then the Smooth Through Detangler was reapplied as her deep conditioner. These are the photos of her hair before we detangled it, and I'll be doing a video of how I detangled her hair using our TM Hair Products, which is what you see on your screen now. I will be using the Perfect Assist Styling Aid to style her hair. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's what I'll be using to style her hair. I'm putting it around the perimeter. Perimeter of her hair. So, I'm just putting it around the perimeter of her hair. Not adding too much. Just enough to lay her little frizzies down. Over. Okay, we're just going to braid this up. If you can't braid, you can twist this. That's fine. I was getting ready to start twisting. Braids last longer. Twists are faster, easier to take out. Now, you could totally do this style without the two braids, but the two braids will probably help stretch it a couple more days and catch up her edges, which is always a plus. Okay. So just drop your head down a little bit more. Yeah. So this is a quick, simple hairstyle. This is like a no-fuss hairstyle. You don't have to do much to it. So, but these two braids might give you an extra couple of days, depending on how well your child sleeps with a bonnet or scarf or what have you. Okay, I'm going to do one side and then I'll come back with the other side. Okay, so I have braided this side. I'm going to add the Perfect Assist Styling Aid just around the perimeter to lay down the little frizzies. Not much. Not much. Just trying to keep the part down. Like so. It just kind of defines the part a little bit more when you add the styling aid. Hold your head down. Hold your head down. When you add the styling aid close to the part, so it just it defines the part more. It makes the part more pronounced. So now I'm just going to brush it. up, trying to keep the part neat. But I don't want it to get on the ends of her hair. I just mainly want it on the roots because I don't want the ends of her hair to revert back, because the Stylinade is a moisturizer, so it does contain water. So as you can see, her roots are starting to revert back, but I don't have a problem with that. I just don't want the ends to revert. And I'm just going to comb it up and try to get it as close to even. Turn around a little bit. As close to even as possible. Brushing it up together. And then trying to take this one. Brushing it up together. Now, I would recommend hair elastics, but I don't feel like going to get them, to be honest. So I sometimes buy very cheap rubber bands, and I like cheap. What? I'm doing all this and y'all can't see nothing. Let me go this way. So I'm brushing her hair up, trying to keep her ponytails even. Now, I recommend hair elastics like I was saying, but if not, I recommend cheap rubber bands. Why cheap rubber bands, you ask? Because they pop very easy, so they're less likely to snatch your hair out. Because they pop, so these are probably pop in a day or two, and that's fine with me, and I can just redo it with hair elastics if I want, or do something else. So I usually, when I don't use my hair elastics, I buy cheap rubber bands. Now, if I was doing something with beads that I needed to stay, I would get a better quality rubber band, but I like rubber bands that pop easy because it's less likely to keep your hair trapped in there. And this is just a quick style anyway. So what I do here is pull her hair through. Again, trying to not put the Stylinade on the ends of her hair, because I want that part to stay as straight as possible. Working that in. And then I'm just going to loosely twist the ponytail. That's it. Just very loosely twist it. I want it to look as fluffy as possible, so that's why I twist it loosely and then kind of fluff it out. Tuck it under. And I like to use one of those little tiny, small bobby pins. Very small bobby pin. I hope y'all can see that. To tuck her hair under with. Tuck the bobby pin in. Then just fluff out her little ponytail. I haven't seen it to line it up straight, so this is just a quick hairstyle that's cute. Very cute. Let me show y'all the back. So what I did was her hair's still wet, obviously, you guys. I crisscrossed the two braids just to give it a little more, you know, cuteness. But it's very simple. I just crisscross the back and then turn around. Let's see. This is the front. You can look up, don't. She trying not to look up. So this is the front. Very cute, huh, guys? Very, very cute. Very age appropriate. Y'all know I'm big on that. I'm big on age appropriate styles. And once I tie her hair up, it's going to lay down even prettier. You can add ribbons to this. You can add gold strings. You can add those little gold hair ornaments. You can do all of that with this style. But we just wanted to keep it simple. This is like, I'm in a rush out of the house. I don't feel like doing nothing, but you got to be pulled together. And I only got 2 minutes to pull you together hairstyle. That's what this is. So I hope you guys like it. Hopefully, I'll try to remember to take pictures. This is a short hairstyle. Y'all know I'm horrible with pictures. But I'll try to take pictures. Again, let me show you the back just in case I don't. Drop your head down a little bit. This came out very cute. It came out better than I thought. So this is very cute hairstyle. So just make sure her little ponytails are even, but her hair is thicker on one side naturally. And that is the finished look. That's my timer going off. Okay, if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.